Yep, it's too dark. So we have reached the part in our journey where we must send the M50 on its way, whether it be to the graveyard or to be reincarnated, or revived rather, then we shall see. But right now, I gotta deal with some rush hour traffic.
I got mustard. I got mustard.
Okay, so unlike Amazon, where they give you your packing ship with all the details in there and it's already prepaid, with Canon, you have to print out these forms that they give you, and then you have to pay for your own tracking, insurance, and all of that stuff. So with that being said, my total costs right now is $24.90. Thankfully I'm using my QuickBooks Self-Employed, so I have the app downloaded, and that lets me be able to track my mileage and all of that stuff. So even like the drive becomes, like the portions of this drive becomes tax deductible. I gotta go to an oil change, I need to get some gas, I need to get something to eat, and I need to go to the store. So quite the busy afternoon. Okay, so this has to go down in history as one of the craziest days I have ever had. No lie. I leave from getting the oil change. I go to the gas station right around the corner. I put the gas thing in the nozzle into the car, let it run until it fills. I start cleaning the windows. It clicks, it stops, I go and get it, I pick it up, not pushing the lever, not even a little bit, I'm actually holding the handle. The numbers keep running on the pump. I said, what the heck is going on? I'm freaking out because I don't want it to be an extra $10 or $15, and I haven't done anything to, you know, reclaim this $10, and it's not so believable. I've never seen a pump do this before, so this is kind of ridiculous. So I'm sitting there freaking out like, well, I guess I'm gonna get me some more gas. So I get the gas and I start filling it, but you know you can't overfill your tank. And so I'm sitting there and I'm like, okay, well, I put the daggone stuff in there, guys. I'm telling you, I put this stuff in there. The daggone, I go back in there because I paid too much anyway for what I wanted to put in the tank, just to make sure I filled it up. And then I go in there to get my extra dollars that I need for my change for overpaying. I tell them about it overpaying. It's like impossible. He's like, I'm gonna go out there right now. I'm gonna put some gas in my car. I said, okay. Guy goes he has the same car as I do. Goes into the same pump, does the same thing. It doesn't overrun. I don't think that gas station is trying to scam anybody or anything like that. It's almost just like a fluke kind of a deal, but this has been one funny day. It's for sure one in the books. So it's finally the end of the day. I've gotten all of the stuff I needed to take care of taken care of, and the M50 has been shipped off to Canon. We'll see how tomorrow goes using this camera because it has the bigger sensor. I was trying to use that instead, but I also have the 20mm lens that has a good aperture on it as well, so I'll be able to get the shots that I need regardless. And then there's nothing wrong with the G85. So I don't know if I'm going to keep using the ZS70 to vlog with. I like the fact that I can just turn it on, turn it off. It can be handheld. I had it in my coat pocket all day long versus carrying around, you know, this and, you know, having all of this power. And then I'm holding it like that, maybe. Got good stabilization, but it is a bit more to carry than it would be for the ZS70. So I don't know what I want to do about that just yet. And I'm used to really having full manual control of the camera, which you can have with the ZS70, but I'm used to it being in this kind of a format. So I'm trying to get used to it, but there are a lot of pros to having a point and shoot camera that I'm really enjoying, which I experienced in Las Vegas and stuff like that. But something like the M50 is a good blend between the two, especially when you're on the go, a flip up screen versus a screen that flips out to, you know, the side like this. It just takes up, you know, even less real estate, it being right on top. But other than that, it's nothing to complain about. It's just a difference in getting used to it or whatever. But we had a great stream tonight. Made sure that, you know, went well using the J85. But otherwise, that's it. See you guys tomorrow.